friends, happy Tuesday. Today I am going to finally be working on the second dog snuggler pack, and I'm going to start out with the German Shepherd. So from my last video, you guys saw me create the faces for this second dog pattern bundle, but I was like debating whether or not it should just be a modification pack or a full-on second pattern bundle, and I decided to do the second pattern bundle because I feel like if I did a modification pack with just the head, people might be a little confused, and also I feel like it's fun to customize the body for each breed, so I figured why not do a second pack. I will say with the German Shepherd, I do regret not doing the accent colors in black because as I look through all of the different reference images, the German Shepherd's like facial accents definitely are more black versus like this dark brown. Like I said in the other video, this is giving Chihuahua, but it's fine. Too late now. With the body though, I think I'm gonna do a black body, and then I decided to do the paws and the arms and legs the teddy bear color, and then for the tail I'm also just making it black. So hopefully the black body with the brown legs will help make it look more German Shepherdy. It might look a little weird with like the chocolate face, but we shall see. Hopefully it all comes together. I already made both of the arms and the tail and the one leg, so I have one more leg to go. Then we will start making the body, and hopefully I can finish this up today. I then need to make the 3 other bodies for the next few dogs. So with that, let's get crocheting. Just wanted to take a quick moment to say thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Squarespace. You guys already know Squarespace has been a huge supporter of my channel, and I absolutely love using them. Whether you're first starting out or you're trying to grow your brand, Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform that will allow you to create beautiful websites, engage with your audience, and sell literally anything online successfully. One of my absolute favorite things about Squarespace is how easy it is to actually get started. You do not need any coding background to start building your website. Squarespace has thousands of beautiful professional templates for you to choose from as a starting point, and from there they have a super easy drag and drop website builder so you can tailor your website exactly how you want it. Another amazing feature that Squarespace offers that I personally think is the most important is the ability to have an online shop. You can sell both digital and physical products, which is perfect for us crocheters because we love selling both physical plushies and PDF patterns. You can also easily sell memberships, online courses, and other subscription-based services to your customers right through Squarespace. And if you happen to sell in person a lot, whether at markets or pop-up events, you can get a Square Reader that will allow you to take in-person sales, and it will directly sync with your online shop. So what are you waiting for? Head to squarespace.com to start your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/crochetbyjenna to receive 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you again, Squarespace, for sponsoring today's video. You guys are the best. Thank you for all of your support, and with that, let's get back into it. Alright, I just got done the German Shepherd's body, and it turned out so cute. I wasn't sure if the color blocking would look good, but I definitely like how it turned out. And I did a little black tail, but I feel like if you guys also wanted to do the teddy bear tail, that would also look good. But now I realize this is like the true like German Shepherd colors, the black and the teddy bear. So I think I need to redo the head, because let me show you guys. If I were to attach the head like it is, it's just bothering me that they're like 2 different shades. And it kind of looks like mixed matched. Like this head does not look like it belongs to this body. And I think it would look so much better if I did the black accents versus the chocolate accents. So I'm gonna go ahead and remake the head. Sadly, I really didn't want to, but I just can't. I can't sew this head onto the body knowing that the colors are mixed matched. So I'm gonna quickly do that, but we at least have one pattern done. I need to then work on maybe the Cavapoo will be next. The Cavapoo will be super simple. But with the Cavapoo, since I did the ears really fluffy, I'm wondering if I should do like the paws fluffy and then do like a parfait chunky body, or flip-flop it and do a little bunny fluffy body and then parfait chunky paws. I will have to think about that, but okay, I will come back on when the German Shepherd is all done. All right, guys, I just got done making the new head, and here is Mr. German Shepherd. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I put in the work and redid the head because it looks so much better this way with all of the colors matching up. I absolutely love how he turned out. He is definitely giving German Shepherd vibes now. We are not seeing any chihuahuas anymore, but I will definitely save the other head to make a chihuahua. I feel like I have to at this point since the head is already done, but oh my gosh, you guys, I love how he turned out. Okay, dog number 1 of the new pack is officially done. Now onto the Cavapoo. Okay, so now for the Cavapoo. By the way, it is the same day. I just had to change really quick because it got hot, but for the Cavapoo, I think I want to do a parfait chunky body and little bunny fluffy legs and feet. Hopefully I don't regret doing this. Part of me thinks like if I do it all fluffy, it'll look weird since the head is parfait chunky. But I feel like it would look weird if the body was fluffy and the arms were parfait chunky. Like I'm just trying to envision all the different combinations. So I'm gonna take a gamble and I hope that I'm right. Parfait chunky body, fluffy legs and feet. Or should I say fluffy legs and arms. I keep saying legs and feet, but it's arms and legs. But okay, let's get crocheting. So I just got done the first leg. I did little bunny for the little foot portion, and then for the thigh, which will eventually become the body, it is going to be parfait chunky, and I think it's looking really cute. Also, I did the 2 little arm paws, and I just did all of them in little bunny because I thought, why not switch it up for the arms? And I think it'll look really, really cute. I'm excited to see it all come together. Also, I came on because I've been noticing, so both of these colors are considered teddy bear, but to my own eyes, when I look at this, it looks like the exact same shade, but whenever I take a picture on my phone or even just looking at it on screen right now, I can clearly see they are 2 different shades, but I think my eyes are playing tricks on me because I literally see this as the same shade. It is so trippy. So I don't know what's going on with my eyes. Maybe I am slightly colorblind because my husband jokes with me all the time saying I am. He specifically has this jacket that I've thought this whole time was green, but he told me, no, it is blue. And I'm like, no, this jacket is green. So that is where the whole colorblind thing comes from. And ever since then, he's thought that. But now I'm like, oh my gosh, maybe I am, because this looks so different on screen. But then I'm like, how can I see the difference on screen versus in real life? I don't know. It's so weird. What do you guys see though? Do you think this is all one shade? Truly a mystery, but I'm gonna keep going. I really want to finish the Cavapoo today. That way we have 2 dogs done, and then I will have 2 more left to do tomorrow. We're making good progress, you guys. It is only May 13th, so definitely ahead of schedule for this month, which is good. I'm going to be traveling at the end of this month. I'm going to the Hamptons with my friends. It'll be my first time in the Hamptons, and I'm really excited. We're going for Memorial Day weekend. Also, fun fact, I'm from Jersey originally and everyone calls it MDW, but when I went to college and I started calling it MDW, my friends were like, what is that? I'm like, wait, you guys don't call Memorial Day weekend MDW? Maybe it's just a Jersey thing, but yeah, for MDW, I'm going to the Hamptons and I'm really excited about that. But this means I need to plan ahead of time. I need to get all my ducks in a row. That way, when I go on vacation, I will have work covered. And it's so funny because I'm a full-time crocheter now, but it really is a real job. Even if I go on vacation, I need to make sure all of my deliverables are on time, everything's covered, I have a plan in place, work doesn't stop stop if I go on vacation. So I just think it's funny, like, regardless of what job you do, a job is a job at the end of the day, and you have certain responsibilities that have to be done. But I guess the difference is that I love crocheting and I don't really mind doing all of this, whereas at my old job or maybe at a regular corporate job, it really truly would feel like work. But I'm so incredibly thankful to be able to do my passion full time. It has been amazing. We are actually coming up on month 6 in June, and that is when I technically should go back to work because I've only done the leave of absence for 6 months for the trial period. But I think given how this whole trial period has gone, I will want to continue doing crochet full time. I think I will 100% commit to it. But honestly, it would not be possible without you guys. So thank you so much, and thank you to my amazing patrons. You guys definitely help fuel the full-time crochet dream. I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. So thank you so much. You guys are the best. Oh my gosh, guys, the Cavapoo is done. I'm so excited to show you guys how she turned out. She might be my new favorite. Here she is. Oh my gosh, look at her. I'm so happy with how she turned out, you guys. I am so obsessed. Now, I definitely see the difference in the shades with her head. This must be an older skein of Teddy Bear from Parfait Chunky because it's definitely like lighter than this portion. This is the new skein that I just opened. I feel like this one has a more reddish tint, but it honestly is super subtle. But oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so glad that I went with Little Bunny for the arms and the legs. Well, mainly just the feet, and then everything else is Parfait Chunky. I did do Little Bunny for her tail as well, and her ears, of course. But oh my gosh, she turned out so cute. I honestly think she is my favorite now. She took the top spot. And although this is considered like a Cavapoo, this could easily be turned into like a golden doodle, a poodle, any of those like fluffier dogs, honestly. If you did her in all white, she could easily be like a Bichon. So it is super versatile. I'm so excited for this second pattern pack. We did really good today, got 2 of the dogs done. Tomorrow I will work on the other 2, but I don't know if there's anything beating her. She's just so cute, you guys. Good morning, friends. It is the next day. I have my coffee and I am going to get started on the next dog pattern. So I decided we're going to do Mr. Pug. He's going to be super easy to do because he will be all one color. He will be this color, which is called Toffee by Parfait Chunky. Luckily, I have 1 more skein left, so hopefully I win Yarn Chicken. I think I definitely will because I also have some left over from this other skein. And then I think I might modify the tail for him. I want to give him a nice little curly tail, but other than that, I think we'll be good. I'm trying to debate whether or not I want to give him little paw pads. Maybe I should since his body is pretty plain. Yeah, I think I'll do that. But I don't see any major challenges with this, so hopefully I'll be able to get this done within the next hour. I'm going to actually time myself and see how long it'll take me to make the body. So that includes like the 2 legs, the 2 arms, and the tail. I want to see like what the time commitment is for this project. Of course, I forgot to record how long it took me to make the head, but that's okay. I can probably estimate. But yeah, very curious to see how long it'll take me for the body. Alright friends, I just got done the pug body, so I officially finished it up. I just sewed him all together. It is 11 o'clock. I started the body at 9:30, so it's been roughly an hour and a half. That honestly isn't too bad. So I'd say for the whole project, maybe a lot, 2 to 2.5 hours. But let me show you guys the finished look. Here he is. Okay, I feel like I am off my game with the color choices because I went with these dark brown paws, but then I realized it kind of doesn't go with the black ears and snout. I should have done black paws, like come on Jenna. But I gave him a little dark brown button nose to hopefully tie in the colors of his paw pads. But you know, if you guys want to make this pug, I highly recommend doing like black paws to kind of tie it all together. But he is still really cute. I love how he turned out. I made his body slightly smaller because pugs are a bit smaller shorter than the other dog breeds that I'm doing, so he is a little shorter, but I am super happy with how he turned out. Dog number 3 is officially done, so that means we only have one more to go. Saving maybe the best for last. I know I love the Cavapoo, but I think the Hound will be number 1 once I get done with him. For him, I'm gonna really try to get the colors right. I'm going to do the teddy bear paws, so the brown paws, and then black body. And I think that will tie him together really, really well. So I'm gonna go put Mr. Pug on the shelf to go with the other pups, and then I'm gonna get started on the Hound. All right, so here are the 2 pups, and now I'm going to put the Pug right here. I love how they are able to just sit up like that. Super cute. They look so cute on the shelf, you guys. Okay, the last spot will be for Mr. Hound, so I'm gonna go back to crocheting. Also, Callie's passed out down here. She's basically recovered from surgery, no cone of shame, so she is doing really well. Thank you guys for all of your sweet messages for her. And then of course we have Miss Shay over here. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it's this angle, but she just looked like massive. Shay is once again just hanging out with me on my star blanket. When my mom saw that I gave Shay my star blanket, she's like, tell me it's not so. Like, how are you sacrificing this star blanket for Shay? And I'm like, I know. I can't decide these things. Shay claimed it, so I gotta honor it. Shay's honestly the boss. I am just her loyal assistant. Alright, you guys, I just got done the Hound. I think he is my favorite. He turned out so cute. Let me show you. Here he is. Oh my gosh, look at that cute little Hound body. I am so in love. I ran into the problem again with the teddy bear because these are the new skeins of teddy bear and they are like slightly more red toned than the original one up here. I can actually see the difference this time. So that was the only little snag, but he turned out so cute. I love the teddy bear and black look together. It really screams Hound. If I were to make him again, I would just do an all teddy bear version as well because I think those are the 2 classic Hound ones. Also, I could make a long hair Hound and make his ears fluffy. I think that'd be so cute. But I am like all crocheted out, you guys. I just did 4 of those dogs in the past 2 days, so now I definitely want to take a break, which is perfect because I have to go write up the patterns for these 4 pups. But I am so excited for you guys to make these dog patterns. I love that I did end up doing this second pattern bundle pack versus just mods for the heads because having the body and having like the instructions on how to do everything I feel like is so much better. And wait, I want to go get all of them so we can take one big group picture. Oh my gosh, here they are. They are super hard to handle, like with all of them. I'm gonna try to get them all looking at the camera, but obviously I had a big theme for this pattern bundle. Teddy bear is the big theme. Oh my gosh, look at the Cavapoo. Oh my gosh, okay. I feel like this is as good as it's going to get. Little group picture with everybody. Come on, Mr. Pug. But by the time this video comes out, this pattern pack will definitely be live. It should have came out May 29th. So if you're interested, check out the links down below. It'll be on my Etsy and my website. And if you're a patron of mine in Yarn Club, you will receive this June 1st. Let me know down below which dog is your favorite. I cannot, you guys. This group picture is so cute. I cannot. And just like the other pattern bundle, I had to line up the pups on my shelf because they are so cute just hanging from the shelf like this. Also, I love that all of the colors go really well together. The only little oddball is Mr. Pug, and I'm still kind of salty that I gave his paws the chocolate color instead of the black. I feel like the black would have tied in so nicely with everything else, but it's fine. I'm so excited for you guys to get this pattern. I loved making all of these pups. Hopefully I will make more pups in the future, but for now, I think I'm gonna take a dog break. Mr. Hound and Mr. Cavapoo are still my favorites, but let me know down below which one you guys love the most. And alright, I guess we will end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along and pattern designing with me again. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!